In this video, I'll show you how to find trending Kava Memecoins on Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, at first, what you need to do, you need to be logged into your Dex, right? Once you have been logged into your Dex, you'll be able to find trending Kava Memecoins. You can see right here, a whole lot of Memecoins that has been launched here on Kava chain, right? So you're gonna click on the trending tab with the fire streak. Displayed with a whole lot of options. So you're gonna click on 5 minutes. There's 5 minutes, 11. There's 5 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours, 24 hours. So you're gonna click on any of them, right? So I can click on 24 hours for me to be able to access. I'll see the meme that have been launched here in the past 24 hours. So you can see, I think the newest one here is I think 2 months old with a market cap of $349,000. So this is basically how you can find trending Kava meme coins on there. When I find this video helpful, please share it with us in the comment section. I would see you guys in the very next one.